Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change call ringtone on Signal Messenger. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Signal Messenger app and tap on the three dot icon to the right hand corner and tap on settings, tap on notifications, scroll down, and here you'll find this call section, and inside of this section tap on ringtone. And now from this list you can select any ringtone for your call, and that's how we can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.